Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create and receive custom notifications as well as use a visual KPI counter for uptime. So PingBell is a web and mobile application that allows you to create these custom push notifications. PingBell works with thousands of websites and apps, and this includes uptime. So let's just get started. Step 1 of this process is going to be creating your free account at pingbell.io. Once logged in, you'll see a page just like this, and we can start our first PingBell by clicking the button in the middle of the screen. First, we need to set the title and description of the PingBell. These will be shown whenever you do receive a notification from the app, as well as the text within the celebration page, which we'll go over later. We might want to name this something like a downtime alert, because uptime will let us know when our website goes down. Alright, next up, we will be selecting the custom notification sound that you would like your phone to make each time your PingBell receives a notification. There are a bunch of sounds to choose from, so be sure to preview them by clicking on it. Being able to set a custom sound is extremely useful since you'll be able to tell what notification you are receiving without even having to look at your phone or computer. Lastly, you can invite other users to receive notifications from this PingBell by adding either their email address or PingBell username in this box. Sharing your PingBell notifications is a really effective way to keep your entire team in the loop in real time whenever important KPI events happen. And there we have it, our very first PingBell. If you ever want to create a new one, just hit the bell icon at the bottom right of the screen to do so. Once created, you can always just click on the 3 dots next to your PingBell and hit Edit to go over the fields again. So now you have your PingBell set up, let's go over setting up the trigger for uptime. This should only take a few minutes, and for each PingBell, you should only have to do this process once. To do this, we will be using a website called Zapier. Simply log into your Zapier account, and then we're going to go to Create and hit Zaps. For our trigger, we just need to click on it and search for uptime. Now we need to choose an event, which will be a new alert. We'll hit Continue, and it'll ask us to connect our uptime account. You'll see this box, which is asking for your API key. To find your uptime API key, go to your dashboard, then go to Settings on the left-hand side, go to API, and you'll see your API key right here. We'll copy this API key and paste it in this box. Then we'll hit Continue, and we need to name our trigger. Then we can choose Default under Contacts and hit Continue. Now we can move on to our action. This is going to be notifying PingBell, so we'll go ahead and click on Action and then search for PingBell here. Now we need to choose an event, which is going to be notifying the PingBell. Hit Continue. And we need to find our API key for our PingBell account. We can find that by going back to PingBell, going to the top right side, clicking on the user icon, then going to Settings, and clicking on our API key to copy it. Now we'll go back to Zapier and paste our API key in the box. Now just click on Continue, and then we need to select the specific PingBell that we just created. We can test our step, and then we are all good to go. Also, don't forget to hit Publish. Great, now we have our PingBell set up. So now let's go over PingBell's celebration page. This is the page that will display a custom counter for your uptime alerts. Within the web app on your PingBell's homepage, you will see a celebration icon next to the created PingBell. Click on this, and you'll be taken to the celebration page. To access the customizable settings, just hover your mouse to the right side of the screen to reveal the hidden menu. First, let's enable or disable our visual counter. We can click Inactive or Active. Now, let's style how the text and message will appear. We can select 3 different types of messages when the PingBell is notified. Option 1, which you're seeing right now, is a static message, which means the title you gave your PingBell will always be displayed. Choosing this option is common among streamers and companies that may want to display multiple counters side by side. The second option is a disappearing message, which will appear on screen for a few seconds whenever the PingBell is notified. The third is a disappearing bubble, which looks the same as a web app notification you would receive. Both the disappearing options will be displayed for about 5 seconds each time an action is registered on your PingBell. Alright, next up, let's go ahead and select our font size and type. We have multiple options to choose from for font size. And we can just type into the font type field to search through Google's fonts to find what really fits our brand. Now we can choose our colors. Let's first select our background color, our font color, our counter color, and our counter text color. You can see for each of these, we have access to a really robust color wheel, so you can truly pick any color to fit your brand. Now just hit save, and whenever your PingBell is pinged, a fireworks animation will go off, the counter will go up, and if you have the disappearing message or bubble, they will last on screen for a few seconds. The very last option allows you to determine what the starting point of the counter will be. This allows you to accurately show the absolute number of actions your business has logged in its entire lifetime. For example, if your business has already had 500 uptime alerts, we can just input 500 here to show on the counter. There we have it, our own visual counter for uptime alerts. Another great feature about PingBell is we can see our analytics for every single PingBell by clicking on the graph icon next to each one. Here, we can see how many times that PingBell has been notified. We can choose to see the past 24 hours, the past 7 days, or even the past 30 days. This is a great tool for keeping an eye on specific KPIs. So now, you can utilize PingBell's custom notifications and KPI counter with uptime. PingBell makes it possible to receive notifications for any KPI from thousands of websites and applications, so make sure to sign up for your free account at pingbell.io to get started. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos.